Green says, you're live on Revolutionary Cam. How are you? You look wonderful. You look incredible. I love the RBG shoes, baby. That is excellent. Let's get a zoom in on that. Yo, you should be a model for the RBG shoes.
No, really. I like them too. They're very comfortable, and they're my favorite colors. Red for the blood, black for us people, and the green for the land, the prosperity in the land, you know?
All right, I see you got some yellow/gold in there.
That's for the gold that they stole.
Excellent, excellent. We appreciate you breaking that down. The 4 colors, red, black, green, and gold. You know, I told the brothers that the next shoes that they're gonna have to make is the Ghana shoes.
I'm gonna get
red, black, green, and gold.
I'm gonna get the leather high tops before I go.
In memory of Kwame Nkrumah, the Pan-African Revolution.
For the Africans at home and abroad.
Now come over and give my sister Peppy a hug and welcome her to Atlanta.
Peppy Park from Washington, D.C., Maryland area. Yes. Welcome to the Malcolm X Festival in Southwest Atlanta, the historic West End. Yeah.
You gotta give her the history of the festival though.
Okay. Not right now.
Well, I don't care about the history so much. As a present, it is awesome. I feel like I'm home and everyone is so beautiful, and I want this. I'm not giving you a finger, but I had to get this. Wish I had more cash. This feels like Ghana.
I keep on telling you. All you gotta do is whip out the platinum visa, the platinum card.
Because I wanted to be careful. I'll be back. This is great. Yeah.
Yes, family. So it's been a wonderful day here at the Malcolm X Fest. I'm just gonna give you a little background view of all of our beautiful brothers and sisters doing many things, from eating, cooking, shopping, networking. Just really enjoying a nice family event. You know, this is a time when we really reconnect with our folks. You know, a lot of times we have folks in our own neighborhood, in our own community, we haven't seen them. And this is the perfect time for us to reconnect and just send our link with them. And one of my good virgins here, Russ Isis, the Donut Man, and our sister here that's representing. I love the colors, I love your warrior look. That's it right there, it was all a dream. So these are some of the varieties you get, vegan, vegetarian, culture, nice warmth, nice energy, reggae music, African music, jazz music. There's a lot of wonderful energy and strength and power.
It's me and my sister.
The era of the phones.
That's the bracelet. Yeah. The infinity bracelet.
I know Miss Peppy is gonna miss us when she leaves today because
Here, I told Brenda she's
you already recruited her.
But Marty, this is my roommate in Ghana that hasn't put her deposit down yet.
All right, that's what's up. That is what's up. So you got a new roommate. You always got a new roommate.
This one, no. I mean, I'm attached.
So you're gonna show the ropes on a journey of a lifetime.
She's gonna show me the ropes in Ghana, but I'm scared.
My sister, are you ready for the journey of a lifetime?
I would love.
You got the two
We're gonna get you prepared and more prepared and more prepared.
This will be your first trip to Africa.
No, to Ghana.
To Ghana?
Yeah.
Even to South Africa?
South Africa.
South Africa. So you haven't really been to.
So I haven't been.
I'm tell you already. Her son.
Next time.
Her son's gonna say, "Mom, I'm going with you."
Absolutely.
The more the merrier. You know our philosophy.
It's a family affair.
Family affair.
We love you.
Any last words for our folks that are watching this? What do you want to tell them about coming to Ghana with us this October?
Well, I mean, we love it in Ghana. You gotta have the experience, but what it is, it's home. But everybody has to come for the experience to learn for themselves, but it doesn't get any better than Ghana for me. It's the quality of the climate. Of course, it's the beautiful people, which I respect for humanity and all people. It's just a very civilized place, a very heavenly place, like paradise. The foods, the people, the traditions and culture. I'm ready to go back like right now, Kevin.
Excellent. And the journey of a lifetime continues, family. We'll see you in Ghana this October and next May.